One of the smartest ways to grow your money over time is by investing in the stock market. Now, before you scroll away thinking this is too risky or complicated, stay with me. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a finance degree. All you really need is a smartphone, a few dollars, and the willingness to learn and take action. Why the stock market? The stock market is where people buy and sell pieces of company. When you invest in a stock, you're actually buying a small share of a company like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. And when those companies grow and earn profit, the value of your investment can grow too. Over the long term, the stock market has provided average returns of about 7 to 10% per year after inflation, far more than what you'd earn in a savings account or under your mattress. The power lies in compound interest, where your earnings start earning more money. The longer you stay invested, the more your money works for you. So how do you get started? Thanks to technology, getting started is easier than ever. Investment apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, and Charles Schwab allow you to open an account in just a few minutes. Most of them offer zero commission trading, meaning you won't pay fees when buying or selling stock. And here's the best part. You don't need to wait until you have thousands of dollars. You can start investing with as little as $10. The most important thing is to begin. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. What should you invest in? If you're just starting out, trying to pick the perfect stock can be stressful. Instead, consider ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of an ETF as a basket that holds tiny pieces of many different companies. One of the most popular is the S&P 500 ETF, which includes 500 of the largest U.S. companies. This gives you built-in diversification. If one company has a bad day, others can help balance it out. ETFs are a smart, low-risk way to invest in the stock market without needing to be an expert. Want to make it even easier? Set up automatic investment. Most apps let you invest weekly or monthly without lifting a finger. There are also apps like Acorns that round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.60, it rounds it up to $3 and invests the extra $0.40. It may not seem like much, but over time, those small amounts can really add up. You don't need to be wealthy to start investing. You just need to start. Use the tools available to you, stay consistent, and give your money time to grow. The sooner you begin, the better your long-term results will be. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. Start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple money tips every week. Let me know in the comment, are you ready to start investing, or are you already on your journey? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.